Hey, Leo, we're here to do your weekly energy. I don't actually give you guys dates because these are for sure timeless. I just throw them at you like that in case people are actually keeping up with the readings. But whenever it comes to you, the title resonates. There's a lot of those like little disclaimers that I have not added to this because I figured if you're watching someone brand spanking new like me, you probably already have watched some, but maybe not. Maybe it's family and friends that really don't know the things. This could be anywhere, anyone. This could be happening to someone around you. The energies could be flipped because like male or female. The genders on the cards themselves don't matter because we all harness both masculine and feminine energies. I guess maybe I'm telling Leo because my bud may or may not actually really watch these. So, should you have any other questions? Just throw them in the comment section. Just comment and I will answer stuff. Okay, so I'm going to do a card for each of the days. Got some good stuff coming up in October, so look out for that. Monday. Ooh, the Chariot! Oh, yeah. I believe this is Cancer energy, but I immediately thought of Leo energy because you are always moving. Always moving. Beautiful. On the move. Knight of Pentacles. Ooh, is that you? Offering something tangible. It's slowly, which is kind of not in opposition to the Chariot, but they're not necessarily the same energy. Usually Chariot's moving quite quickly because they have two of whatever they have, but even though those are laying down. But Wednesday. Ace of Cups! Ooh, you're coming in to offer something tangible and loving? I want to say this is you, though. Like, this could be somebody else, but I feel like it's you. As I snort. Thursday. 5 of Swords. Ooh, why? Is something not received as well as you think it will be? I don't like that. Friday. Temperance. By Friday, you'll iron it out. Thursday is a hiccup, I think. If you come in bold, tangible, loving, like a Leo would, you might feel some kind of way on Friday because it's not received exactly how you think it's going to be. Maybe that's guidance to like consider it a little more. Whatever you're gonna do, Leos, you're gonna do something. Take a moment to think about not how you would receive what you're gonna do, but how others would receive it. Temperance on Friday. It's gonna balance out. For sure. Well, let's see the underlying, but that doesn't contradict me. It's and I said it. Immediately was like, am I sure about that? 10 of Swords. Maybe not. Or maybe the Friday, the 5 of Swords is gonna feel so. Oh, no. I see. Not oh no, but like, I'm seeing it now. Something has you feeling really mentally burdened. Which is likely causing you to go in. Oh no. Now that isn't oh no. I almost said your name because I'm like, I'm tapped into you. Don't. Okay. Well, I can tell you what to do, but If you take an action based on a sense of feeling too vulnerable or not desperate overall, but desperate for some semblance of control within a situation, that might get met with resistance. They're gonna sense a desperate energy in the situation, not overall, and you're not gonna get the reaction you want. It'll balance out. It will by Friday. I'm almost getting this small sense of like you slightly embarrassing yourself by Thursday. There's a little hiccup there. Alright, can you tell us what the hiccup is? If you will. What is this hiccup on Thursday? It's so funny they haven't been wanting to clarify things. Oh, well, it doesn't go as planned. It goes differently. Now, either you think somebody's backing away from you, or someone thinks the shift in your behavior, trying to gain control of something, is making you look maybe momentarily deceitful or manipulative. Oh. Because if this is a love bombing situation, I don't think it's going to be appreciated. It'll balance out, it will, but the world. Whatever this is, maybe it's necessary. So I'm not going to tell you not to take the action, but there's going to be a hiccup. Don't expect this to be smooth sailing. You might even have to explain yourself, which I don't think is Leo's favorite energy. Or, like, why would a lion ever have to explain themselves? I get it, totally. I think it's in your highest good, though. So, it's almost like with Taurus. Take it in stride. You know? I don't think it's going to be, like, falling on your face, but it might be that somebody is not as agreeable as you think that you would like them to be. But it'll all work out. Get temperance by the end. It'll balance. Be harmonious again. I will see you soon. Have a good week.